We have one cyber forensic laboratory cum training center which houses a lot of modern equipment for cyber forensic. And we would like to empower sub-inspectors and the investigating officer by utilizing these different facilities which we have installed. I have inaugurated that lab. And Assam is the first state to launch uh, a special drive to empower the sub-inspectors in all the police stations of Assam. In fact, we have got 245 number of cyber uh, crime first responder kits. These kits are having a lot of equipments through which different frauds committed in the cyberspace by way of mobile phone or telecom or computers, etc. This kit should be helpful to the police to detect all that, to retrieve data, and do a whole lot of other things as well.